this is Miss Regina coming to you from the Ashland Public Library in Ashland, Ohio. Today, we're going to do some fun science. Our science today talks about energy. Have you ever taken a rubber band and when you pull it, you're putting energy. You're putting a force there. And then when you let it go, that energy, this is called potential energy. And when you let it go, you have energy of motion or kinetic energy. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Potential and kinetic energy. We're going to do an experiment for a chain reaction. It's called the popsicle stick. Although popsicle sticks don't work, Today, our experiment is called the popsicle stick chain reaction. But they don't really use little popsicle sticks. They use the craft sticks. The craft sticks are a little bit wider. And it gives you and the craft sticks are a little bit more bendable. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a wooden tongue depressor stick and it can store some energy. We're going to store some energy in these sticks and then we're going to release the energy. So the stored energy is called potential energy. The released energy is called kinetic energy or energy of motion. We're going to start with 3 craft sticks. I have a purple, I have a yellow, and I have a green. We're going to make an A. If you watch it here, you can see. We're going to take and put the green on top of the purple, and then we're going to take the yellow and slide it under the purple and over the green. Now, we've got some energy here. If I would just let that go, there's a little bit of tension that was built and it can go. But what we're going to do now is we're going to add a little bit more tension. So I'm going to take another yellow and I'm going to slide it over the purple and under the green. Now our goal here is to have 2 pieces every time. Over the purple, under the green, okay? And you'll see that these are 2 parallel sections, okay? 2 parallels. The yellows are parallel. And so I'm going to add right here at this side, right here on this side, I'm going to add another green stick. So I'm going to have the greens going one way and the purples going the other. So I'm going over the yellow and under this yellow, over the bottom yellow and under the top yellow. Now, this isn't real easy because I'm taking some energy here and I'm putting the energy. I have to bend the stick in order for it to work, okay? Now, do you notice I've got one green stick that's a little bit longer than the other? Okay, so I'm going to pull this down just a little. I'm going to go on top of the green with the yellow and under the green with the same yellow. So I'm going to go under here and over the green here. I'm going to pull this down just a little. Now you're starting to see, it looks like I'm weaving, doesn't it? This is called the cobra weave. Okay, and now I'm going to use the green, and you see the 2 sticking out yellow pieces. I'm going to use the green, get the green, and I'm going to go on top of the lower one and underneath the top one. So sometimes it's easy to go under first and then just pull this over. Okay, now I can't let this go. I have to hold it. Just a little bit. So now you see these 2 green ends. I'm going to go under the longer one. You go under and over. And this isn't real easy, but this is where you get the potential energy. I'm storing up the energy in here. Okay. All right. And I'm making a little weave in between. Now, you can see that this is nothing to just release. This one, if I let go, whoa, it does pop up. But it's really fun if we can make it a little bit longer. So let's see if I could do that again. Let's see if I can. It looks like an A when we start. At least I think it does. It looks like an A. So you see the one on top. I go under this one and over that one. Oops, under the green, over the purple with the yellow. Okay, now I'm going to go under. I'm going to take the same yellow. I'm going to do 2 of them in a row here. Under the purple and over the green. Right. I'm going to pull this up here. Now, do you see 2 sticks that are sticking out? One's a little bit wider than the other. I'm going to take the green and I'm going to go under, on top of, and underneath the other one. And I should have 2 green sticks sticking out now. Push this up a little. It sometimes helps to have someone hold it with you for a while until you get going. Now, I can hold this now with these 5 tongue depressors in here, with these 5 craft sticks. I can hold this with 1 finger. And I'm holding in a lot of energy. Now, you see the 2 greens sticking up. I'm going to go with my yellow. I'm going on top of this one and under this one. Don't let go. Okay, and I'm going to see if I can get a longer one now. On top of this one and under this one. Okay, you see the green sticking up? I'm going to push this one up just a little. Pull that one down. Okay, there's 2 greens. I have to go on top of this one and under the other one. There's 2 yellows. And I'm going to take my green and I'm going to put on top of this one and under this one. Okay, 2 greens sticking up. Yellow, I'm going to take a yellow. And I'm going to go on top of this one and under this one. And see, I can kind of let go. It's not going on anywhere, but they're not laying flat. When the stick wants to really lay flat, if I would just drop the stick, it likes to lay flat. So there's energy here. I'm storing some energy in this chain. And this is going to make a chain reaction. Okay, on top. Now, if I happen to make a long one, which I did, I made a really long one, and we let it go in the children's section of the library. And it wound around right by all the dinosaurs. So, at the end, you get to see that. And what's going to happen is it's going to release all that energy. The longer I make it, I can actually have the energy staying there a little bit longer. I mean, I'm putting more energy in. Each time, I'm putting in some energy. See how that sticks up? But, okay, you can even take something. You could take a book. Let me take a book. And I can put a book right down there on the end. Okay, and we always take under the top one here and over this one, then under the bottom one here and over. This will make a long reaction. Okay. Are you ready? Depending upon how many craft sticks you have, when I release the energy, it just pops up. Okay, I think I've got enough. All right. Now, if I would have to, suppose you had to stop. Suppose Mom wants you to do something, or your sister is needing something and you have to go get her, or your brother. So what I want you to do is you take the two little ones, and those are the ones you slide underneath. I'm taking my purple down. I'm going to slide under that one and under this one, and that'll stop it. That's kind of like the stopper in there. And it'll hold all that energy in. Yes, it will. And I can let go. Then I can come back to it, take that out, and again continue over and under, okay? When you're really, really ready to do it, okay? Now I'm ready to begin, and I'm just gonna, this is my level here. I'm gonna move it down here so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, ready, set, go! Wow, that was fun. I hope you have fun making long chains or short chains, and I hope to see you again for some fun science. Remember, kinetic energy means it's right there, it's moving, kinetic. And potential energy means it's stored energy. Bye.